Today I'm going over the Magnetic Tray 4-pack stainless steel parts trays, and I'll walk through what they offer and where they fall short. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I'm doing this as a screen recording because I can't film the trays directly at the moment, so this is the simplest way to show the details without wasting your time. These trays come as a mix of round and square shapes, with small and larger sizes.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The idea is pretty straightforward. You drop in screws, bolts, nuts, drill bits, or whatever tiny parts you keep losing. The trays grab onto them with the built-in magnet, and the stainless steel body keeps everything from bending or rusting. On paper, it sounds like something every garage or workspace needs, and honestly, the basic concept works fine. You can see the structure in the photos online. Simple bowls with rubber-coated magnets on the bottom to help them stick to metal surfaces. What stands out first is how strong the magnets actually are. They grip well on tool chests, lifts, metal shelves, car frames, anything with a solid steel surface. Even when the trays are loaded with hardware, they don't slide around unless the surface is dusty or oily. That said, the magnetic pull isn't always consistent across the full set. The larger trays feel more secure because the magnet covers more surface area. The smaller ones can feel a bit lighter, so if you bump them, they may shift. The stainless steel looks clean and functional. It's not fancy, but it does the job. The metal has a nice weight, and it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. Still, since these are mass-produced, the finish can vary. Some sets arrive with slight scuffs or small surface marks. They don't affect how the trays work, but if you care about looks, it's something to keep in mind. The depth of the trays is another thing worth noting. 2 of them are shallow and 2 are deeper. The shallow design works well when you want parts visible at a glance. The deeper ones are better when you're dealing with bigger bolts or when you want to keep a lot of items in one place without spilling over. But the smaller shallow trays might feel cramped if you're doing a bigger project. These trays help most when you're working on a car, a bike, or any repair job where screws like to disappear. Having them stick to the side of a toolbox or fender means you don't need a free hand for your bolts. If you're doing electrical work or assembling furniture, they keep everything together so you're not crawling around the floor later. The magnet inside the trays holds the parts in place even if you flip the tray sideways. But if you turn it upside down, heavier pieces may fall out. So the super strong magnet label is a bit exaggerated. One thing that could be better is the rubber base. It's meant to protect surfaces from scratches, but sometimes it arrives slightly uneven, which can make the tray wobble on smooth surfaces. On vertical surfaces, though, the trays grip surprisingly well, which is handy when you're limited on workspace. As for long-term durability, stainless steel helps a lot. The body handles drops without denting easily, the magnets don't weaken quickly, and the trays don't rust unless they're abused or left in moisture for a long time. But they can collect metal dust and shavings, so cleaning them occasionally helps keep the magnet strong. If you like having an organized garage or workshop, this set is practical. It's not a premium product, but it's reliable for the price. The mix of shapes and sizes gives you some flexibility, and the magnets are strong enough for most day-to-day repair tasks. Just expect a few cosmetic imperfections and know that the smaller trays aren't as stable as the bigger ones. That's pretty much the full picture. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit like so you don't miss the next review.